Hello guys, welcome back to channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Snapchat on your PC without downloading any additional software. That's right, you can now access Snapchat on the web and enjoy all the features you love from your phone right from your computer. Let's get started. First step is open Google and search Snapchat. Now open first website, which is snapchat.com. Once you are on Snapchat website, click here, log in to chat. Now sign in with your username, ID and password. Now just confirm from your phone that you are accessing this account. Once you have logged in, you will be taken to the web version of Snapchat, where you can view your friend list, view snaps and send snaps just as you would on the Snapchat app on your phone. I'm just allowing this. To view snaps, simply click on the snap you want to view and it will be open up. That's it. This is how you can use Snapchat on your web browser. Thank you. For more tutorials, please subscribe and thanks for watching.